History 분위기다.
This is London Bridge, and we are next to Shard building, and on the right side is the Shard building, and we are right on River Thames. On the left side, look on the river, we have got our bridge. Beautiful view, and I'll show you in a minute. Southwark Bridge, and then is the Blackfriars Bridge. People walking from Tower Bridge to London Bridge, and I'll show you in a minute the Tower of London from here as well. Yeah, the Tower of London is here next to the Tower Bridge. This place. So these are the ships. Ship here. And on this side, this is outside the Monument Station, Monument on District Line. And on the left side, you can see this bridge is a Southwark Bridge. You can see there.